Malaysia, one of Southeast Asia's most diverse and fascinating countries. From futuristic skylines and UNESCO heritage cities to tropical islands and lush rainforests, Malaysia is packed with destinations that will leave you in awe. So, let's dive right in with our countdown of the 20 must-visit places in Malaysia. Number 20, Georgetown, Penang. We start in Georgetown, the capital of Penang Island and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Known for its colorful street art, colonial architecture, and mouth-watering food scene, Georgetown is often called the food capital of Malaysia. Wander along Armenian Street for murals, explore the clan jetties, and don't miss Penang Hill for panoramic views. Best time to visit? December to February, when the weather is cooler and perfect for exploring on foot. Number 19, Petronas Twin Towers, Kuala Lumpur. An iconic landmark of Malaysia, the Petronas Twin Towers soar 452 meters into the sky, once the tallest buildings in the world. Visitors can head up to the Sky Bridge and observation deck for breathtaking views of Kuala Lumpur's skyline. Surrounding the towers, you'll find Surya KLCC Mall, the KLCC Park, and endless nightlife options. Number 18, Langkawi Island. Langkawi is Malaysia's ultimate tropical getaway, nicknamed the Jewel of Kedah. It boasts pristine beaches, waterfalls, and the famous Langkawi Sky Bridge suspended between mountain peaks. Duty-free shopping is a bonus here, and you can take a cable car ride up to Gunung Mat Chincang for unforgettable vistas. Number 17, Batu Caves, Selangor. Just outside Kuala Lumpur, Batu Caves is a Hindu pilgrimage site known for its massive golden statue of Lord Murugan and a series of limestone caves filled with colorful shrines. The main cave is reached by climbing 272 rainbow-painted steps, a site that has become Instagram famous. Visit during the Thaipusam festival for an incredible cultural experience. Number 16, Malacca City. A melting pot of cultures, Malacca is another UNESCO World Heritage Site rich in history. Stroll along Jonker Street for antique shops and local eats. Admire Dutch Square with its red buildings, and cruise along the Malacca River at night when the city lights up beautifully. Number 15, Cameron Highlands. Malaysia's tea country, Cameron Highlands, offers a cool escape from the tropical heat. Rolling tea plantations, strawberry farms, and misty mountains make it a dreamy getaway. Hiking trails and butterfly gardens add to the charm, while sipping fresh tea at BOHT Estate is a must. Number 14, Mount Kinabalu, Sabah. Standing tall at 4,095 meters, Mount Kinabalu is Malaysia's highest peak. Trekkers from around the world come to conquer it, but even if you don't climb, the surrounding Kinabalu Park offers rich biodiversity with orchids, pitcher plants, and rare wildlife. Number 13. Taman Negara National Park. This is one of the world's oldest rainforests, estimated at over 130 million years old. Visitors can trek through dense jungle, walk the famous canopy walkway, and spot elephants, tigers, and exotic birds. A river cruise along the Tembeling River is also a highlight. Number 12. Perhentian Islands. A paradise for backpackers and divers, the Perhentian Islands boast powdery beaches and crystal-clear waters. Snorkel with turtles and reef sharks, dive into vibrant coral reefs, or just relax on the sand with a coconut in hand. Number 11. Putrajaya. Malaysia's administrative capital, Putrajaya, is known for its futuristic architecture and beautifully designed gardens. Highlights include the pink dome Putra Mosque, the Putrajaya Lake, and impressive bridges like the Seri Wawasan Bridge. It's a photographer's dream, especially at sunset. If you're enjoying this countdown so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you want to start planning your own adventures, click the link in my bio to grab my ultimate travel planner. It'll make your trips easier and more unforgettable. Number 10. Tioman Island. Tioman Island, located off the east coast, is known for its incredible diving spots and relaxed atmosphere. Surrounded by coral reefs, it's a diver's paradise, but also great for jungle trekking, waterfalls, and traditional villages. Number 9. Ipoh, Perak. Once a tin mining town, Ipoh has reinvented itself as a cultural and foodie destination. Known for its white coffee, cave temples, and heritage streets, Ipoh offers a blend of history and charm. Concubine Lane is perfect for boutique cafes and street art spotting. Number 8. Sepilok Orangutan Rehabilitation Center, Sabah. Animal lovers can't miss Sepilok, where orphaned and rescued orangutans are rehabilitated before returning to the wild. Visitors can watch feeding sessions and learn about conservation efforts. Nearby, you can also spot sun bears and proboscis monkeys. Number 7. Redang Island. A quieter alternative to the Perhentian Islands, Redang is known for luxury resorts, turquoise waters, and snorkeling opportunities. The island is part of a marine park, ensuring vibrant coral reefs and diverse marine life. Number 6. Borneo Rainforest, Sarawak, and Sabah. The Malaysian side of Borneo is home to some of the richest rainforests on Earth. Explore Mulu Caves in Sarawak, one of the world's largest cave systems, or go on a river safari along the Kinabatangan River to spot pygmy elephants and crocodiles. Number 5. Johor Bahru and Legoland, Malaysia. Perfect for families, Johor Bahru offers theme parks, cultural attractions, and vibrant shopping. Legoland Malaysia is a huge draw for kids, while the Sultan Abu Bakr Mosque and local food scene attract adults. Number 4. Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. Kota Kinabalu is the gateway to Sabah, blending city life with outdoor adventure. You can enjoy night markets, island hopping to the nearby Tunku Abdul Rahman Marine Park, or start your trek up Mount Kinabalu from here. Number 3. Genting Highlands. Perched in the mountains, Genting Highlands is known as the city of entertainment. It offers casinos, theme parks, luxury hotels, and a cool mountain climate. The Awana Skyway cable car provides stunning views as you ascend. Number 2. Kuching, Sarawak. Kuching, the Cat City, is a laid-back riverside destination with colonial charm, museums, and lively food markets. It's also the perfect base for exploring Bako National Park, famous for proboscis monkeys and rugged coastlines. And finally, number 1, Kuala Lumpur. The vibrant capital, Kuala Lumpur, a true melting pot, KL combines modern skyscrapers with cultural treasures. Beyond the Petronas Towers, explore Chinatown's Pedaling Street, the Sultan Abdul Samad Building, and Little India. The food here is a highlight, from satay and nasi lemak to hawker stalls serving endless delights. And there you have it, 20 must-visit places in Malaysia, a country that truly has it all. Futuristic cities, tropical islands, lush rainforests, and incredible food. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures.